guys, it's Patty with Little Red Southern Kitchen, and today we're going to be making blueberry mini muffins. First thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 375, and in your mini muffin tray, I don't have any liners, so I just sprayed it really good. Alright, now in here we're going to add half a cup of sugar. I'm just going to eyeball it. And with this, I'm going to cream in half of a stick of butter. And let's cream this together. Try to not make much of a mess. And this butter's supposed to be soft and sit out for several hours, but I probably should have got out my KitchenAid, but I just figured I'd use the hand mixer. And I beat that a little bit. Oh, sorry. And I'm going to add an egg. I'm going to mix that well. To this, I'm going to add half of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I didn't realize this hadn't been opened yet. And of course, I'm going to have trouble with it. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, it didn't whip me, thanks to Tony. Now let's add half of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm going to add a cup of flour. This is all-purpose flour. These are half cup measurements. This is a half cup, sorry. So there's a cup. I'm going to mix this well. Alright, then to this I'm going to add half a cup of milk. This is a quarter cup. This is whole milk. I don't have a small mixing bowl, so this one's like really big with a small amount of stuff. And then it calls for a cup of fresh blueberries. And it didn't say to fold them in because I probably wanted to break up a little bit. My neighbor brought these to me this morning. She went and picked them at her sister's house. Alright. Very simple. I'm never prepared. Move all this out of the way. And like I said, I don't have any liners, so I've got my little scoop here. That one might be a little short. It's definitely gonna have blueberries in it. A couple of blueberries per 2 bites, if 2 bites. I could probably make 1 bite out of these. I'd like to thank you for joining us today. If you're new, check out my channel, look at my other videos. I am a Southern cook. Cooking is my passion. I do love it. I've actually been told I'm pretty good at it. So, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. I like to try and get my videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Unless there's a problem. I've been holding on to that. I missed last week because my fur baby was sick. Oops. And it was like having a 15-month-old, say. I could not, because we had to keep her in a playpen, I could not walk out the room without her squalling. I'm wearing this one. In fact, at one point it got so bad because we catered to her needs that I'd put her up on the couch with me and I had to sleep in the living room. We tried having her in the bedroom with us in the playpen, but she'd holler all night. And my husband has to get up usually around 4:30 in the morning, so that wasn't working out very well. Oh wow, this worked out perfectly. The original recipe called would have made 48, but no. I'm not even sure Tony's going to really eat much of these. If it's chocolate chip, he'd tear them up. Alright, my oven has preheated to 375. I'm going to put these in for about, what are we looking at? 17 to 20 minutes, and I'll bring you right back. Okay, I just got these out the oven. They look really good. What they need to do is sit in the pan for 5 minutes, then I'm going to turn them out on the wire rack and let them cool, and I'll bring you back. Okay, here we go. Aren't these just adorable? And they are full of blueberries. Look at that. Alright guys, that is a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'd love to see y'all later. And I'd love to hear from you. Let me know what your favorite Southern food is. Y'all have a good one. Bye.